I'll be showing you step by step how you can verify your domain in Facebook on your Shopify store. So this is going to be using the HTML method. And so I'll be taking you through step by step of everything. So make sure you follow along with me. Overall, it's a fairly simple process. There are some potential hiccups along the way. Also, if you enjoy any of this content, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below, as that really helps the channel out. So to verify your domain, first in Facebook, you just want to go to business settings, then under business settings, you want to go to brand safety, then under that will be the domain section. And so I'm assuming you've hit add domain here. And if you hit add, you can say create a new domain for your business, then you can go and verify this. And so the option I'm using here is add a meta tag to your HTML source code. And then it's going to list a series of steps. But what you really want to be doing is just copying this meta tag here. Now this is just a made up domain. I don't actually own this, but the overall steps are the same. So what you want to do first is copy this meta tag here. If you click it, it's going to say copied to clipboard. Once you have that tag copied, you can then go into your Shopify store. And so we want to paste this in the theme section or the code section of our theme. What we want to do is go to online store on the left. This is going to load up our selected theme. So what I always recommend doing before making any changes to the theme code is to hit these three dots here, then hit duplicate. This is going to create a copy of your currently installed Shopify theme. This is a backup, so if you make any mistakes or something is going wrong, you can easily publish that old backup instead, rather than having to find out exactly what you did wrong. So once you've done that, you want to hit the three dots again, then go down to edit code. So edit code is going to load all your theme files here, but what we want to pay attention to is the master theme file. And this one should be theme.liquid under the layout section. And so according to the Facebook documentation, we want to include this tag inside the head tag here. It's going to be left arrow, head, right arrow. So let's put this at the bottom of the head tag. So it's not going to be the first thing that's loaded. So what you want to do is press Control F or Command F and just search for head. Actually, we'll put the right arrow at the end. This way it will only find the tags. So now you can see here, I found the end section to the head, and I can see left arrow, right bracket, head, right arrow. And right arrow, left arrow isn't the exact name here, but we'll ignore that for now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some space to then copy and paste my tag. And I'm going to hit Control V or Command V on a Mac. And this will paste the meta tag here. You can see this matches what is in the Facebook editor. And it's going to be a meta tag, name, Facebook domain verification, as well as the content. Once you hit save here, this will be uploaded to your Shopify store via HTML. And so after that has been published and saved, all you have to do is click verify domain here. It should now show up as verified rather than not verified. Something to note is that it may take up to 72 hours for Facebook to find the meta tag code. And if it's still not working, there is a sharing debugging tool link here. So again, this is a domain name that I do not own. It was just used for the purposes of this video, but your domain name should be able to verify after doing these steps. So just like that, you've added domain name verification to your Shopify store, and Facebook should now be able to verify your domain. Before I go, I want to quickly thank our sponsor, Profit Calc, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. It's going to allow you to skip the spreadsheets and get back to growing your store with real-time calculations, as well as a variety of different analytics and metrics, so you can really understand your store's true performance, and so you can make better business decisions. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts, as well as your cost of goods sold, transaction fees, and much more. There's a link in the description to access the Shopify app listing. You can also search Profit Calc in the Shopify App Store. Look for this logo in the top left here, and it will come up there. Both of which will get you access to a 15-day free trial, so you can test drive everything for yourself. So this concludes the video here. I hope it helped. If it did, I would love it if you hit that like button and subscribe to the channel below, as that really helps the channel out. If you have any questions about anything, leave a comment as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.